Imagine this. You open your eyes, and you are no longer on Earth. There is no countdown, no warning, no second chance. You are standing on a world humans were never meant to survive. This is the Planet Survival Challenge. Top 8 destinations in our solar system. Each one is more dangerous than the last. Some of these worlds will let you live for hours, others for minutes. But one destination will not give you time to react. Watch until the 8th destination. You will die before you understand what is happening. The first place we travel to is the one where humans have the highest chance of surviving outside Earth. At first glance, it does not look immediately hostile. The landscape feels familiar. Dry plains, rocks, and endless desert-like terrain. In some regions, daytime temperatures can even feel tolerable for short periods. There is a clear day and night cycle, something your body instinctively recognizes. Can you guess where you are? This is Mars. But surviving here does not mean you are safe. The planet's weaker gravity slowly begins to betray your body. Your bones start losing density. Your heart weakens, and your muscles slowly atrophy. At the same time, constant cosmic radiation penetrates the thin atmosphere and accumulates inside your body. You do not collapse instantly. You keep moving, breathing, functioning. But biologically, your system is breaking down piece by piece. With a protective suit, you might survive for several hours, maybe even a few days. Mars does not kill you quickly. It kills you slowly. And this is the safest place on our list. The next place looks even more familiar than the last. In fact, it feels unsettlingly close to Earth. The atmosphere here is thick, dense, and heavy. The pressure is close to what your body experiences on Earth. There are clouds, rain, and even lakes on the surface. At first, your instincts tell you this place might be survivable. Do you know where you are? This is Titan. But this familiar appearance is a trap. The temperature here is unimaginably low. Instead of water, methane and ethane flow across the surface. Your body is built for water-based chemistry, not this environment. Your blood begins to lose heat faster than any suit can compensate. Your movements slow. Your reflexes fade. And coordination quietly breaks down. One by one, your organs begin shutting down. With a protective suit, you might survive for 1 to 3 hours. Titan does not kill you violently. It lets the cold quietly take everything away. And compared to what comes next, this is still not the worst. If this journey is changing how you see the solar system, subscribe to the channel. The next place once gave scientists real hope, not because it looks friendly, but because water truly exists here. Beneath a thick shell of ice, there is a vast ocean of liquid water. Oxygen is constantly being created on the surface. For a moment, it feels like life might have a chance, but that hope disappears the moment you arrive. Which planet this world belongs to? This is Europa. Europa orbits inside one of the most extreme radiation environments in the solar system. Powerful radiation from its parent planet constantly bombards the surface. The radiation begins breaking apart your DNA almost immediately. Neural signals degrade, reflex fail, and your nervous system starts collapsing. Your protective equipment degrades faster than it was designed to handle. You are not running out of oxygen. You are running out of biology. Even with advanced protection, survival is measured in minutes, not hours. On Europa, you might survive for 10 to 20 minutes at most. And that changes everything. Because from this point on, time is no longer on your side. The next place doesn't kill you with violence. There are no crushing pressures, no raging storms, just silence, distance, and a slow collapse of energy. Sunlight here is barely more than a memory. The temperature is unimaginably low, and almost no usable energy exists. So where do you think this place is? This is Pluto. On Pluto, heat escapes your body almost instantly. Materials become brittle. Metals lose flexibility. Your equipment begins to crack under extreme cold. Cooling is no longer something you can slow down. Your metabolism collapses as entropy takes over. This is not a dramatic death. It is quiet, predictable, inevitable, even with protection. Survival is measured in minutes. On Pluto, you last about 5 to 10 minutes. And now, things begin to get much worse. The next place removes one thing Earth always protected you from. There is no filter here. No clouds. No air. No atmosphere to soften anything. Light arrives exactly as it is. The heat doesn't spread. It spikes. Temperatures swing harder than anywhere else nearby. So, which world fits this description? This is Mercury. On Mercury, radiation hits you directly. Ultraviolet light burns exposed tissue almost instantly. Electronics begin failing within moments. During the day, heat overwhelms every cooling system. During the night, temperatures plunge deep below freezing. There is no stable zone to hide in. You are cooked or frozen depending on timing, not choice. Survival here is brutally short. On Mercury, you last about 2 to 5 minutes. The next place doesn't even let you stand. There is no ground waiting for your feet. No surface. No landing. No moment of stability. Everything here is in motion. Pressure increases the deeper you fall. Winds twist into colossal storms. So, which world fits this description? This is Jupiter. On Jupiter, you never arrive. You fall, and keep falling. Gravity accelerates your descent relentlessly. G-forces begin crushing your organs. Blood is forced away from the brain. Consciousness fades before impact ever exists. Even before pressure or heat can kill you, your body fails. There is no bottom to reach. Survival here is measured in seconds, not minutes. On Jupiter, you last a few dozen seconds to 1 or 2 minutes, and the next place will end things even faster. The final place gives you no time, no warning, no adjustment, no second chance. The environment here does not fluctuate. It is permanently lethal. Pressure is extreme. Temperature is constant and constantly destructive. There is no margin where life can balance itself. So, can you guess this world? This is the surface of Venus. On Venus, pressure crushes your body almost instantly. Your nervous system collapses before pain can even register. Consciousness fades in seconds. There is no struggle, no dramatic final moment. just an abrupt end. Survival here is measured in seconds. At best, less than a minute. You die before you understand what is happening. Venus doesn't kill you because it is alien. It kills you because it is closer to Earth than you expect. And that is what makes it truly terrifying. If this journey changed how you see the solar system, subscribe to the channel. Because space doesn't care what we hope. It only follows physics. And there are still many worlds left to understand.